I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with a payment on Xbox Game Pass, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Go to your account settings and review the payment options linked to your Xbox account. Step 2. Update your billing information. If your payment method is expired or incorrect, update your billing information. Navigate to the billing section and enter the new details. Step 3. Review subscription status. Check if your Xbox Game Pass subscription is still active. Sometimes, the payment issue arises from an expired subscription. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache on your console can resolve temporary glitches. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to turn off the console, then unplug it for a minute before restarting. Note, sometimes, the cache can cause the payment screen to freeze, making it seem like there's an issue. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. They can provide specific help based on your account and payment history. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issue quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.